Hey everyone, Steve Page here from Giant Partners, the #1 data-driven marketing agency in the US. Today we're going to go over the best audiences to target on Facebook. Let's get into it. Alright, we're hopping into the Facebook ad manager right now. As you can see, you got campaigns, ad sets, and ads. We're just going to go in the ad sets today. That's where you pick your audiences. And we'll see what's available for the luxury consumer market. Currently, we should do the US, but if you can, you'll see in other countries, there's some other high-level audiences you can target regarding people who spend a lot. Most likely, the age of the wealthy consumer is going to be 35, 40, and up. People have saved a bunch, they've been working a long time, have some income, most likely have some kids in the family. Let's see what interests are available specifically. Here, I already pre-selected one called high net worth individuals. Business and finance. This is a modeled audience from Facebook. You can see it's roughly 6 to 7 million. And then again, you'll see with these audiences and the ones they suggest, they all seem really good. Luxury goods, first class travel, free international travel. These are all based off behaviors, what they're interested in. What that means when they're interested in something, they're visiting websites with the Facebook pixel on it. They like certain pages, they interact with certain posts on the certain topic that you can see regarding air travel, lodging, vehicles, luxury goods. Also suggest some job titles that most likely have a high income, like owner, manager, CEO, or business owner. Again, luxury goods, watercraft, luxury yacht, anything with who buys a boat most likely has some money. Here's some location factors, demographics, top 5% zip codes. So wealthy zip codes in the US is another select, high value. As you see here in non-US countries, high value goods. This isn't available in the US, but if you're targeting other countries, outside the US, this could be a good luxury audience to target on Facebook. Again, as you can see, that's pretty limited as far as targeting luxury people. Here's a tactic that involves laser targeting of luxury consumer audience. This involves using data. Giant Partners, we're a data-driven organization. We use data in the beginning as much as we can. We upload lists and inject data into these platforms. So I'm going to show you a list of 10,000 luxury consumers that you can actually use as a Facebook audience to target wealthy people in the US. So here I just pulled a list from our other company, List Giant. It's a 20+ year data company that's part of Giant Partners family. And here you can see you got first name, zip code, city. We left out email, phone, and some other personal information just to keep some things private. But as you can see, if you actually download or purchase a list, you can get everything from email, phone number, address, all that stuff if you want to. But as you can see here, the big two indicating wealth factors is estimated income and net worth, which are pretty big when it comes to purchasing power. But that's not it. There's a lot of other things that we actually include in our database as well that you can select and download and use for audiences targeting on Facebook or even other platforms like Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and more. As you can see, you get some job title in here. We get whether they completed education level, complete college. We scroll, keep going over here. You see if they're married, how long they've been married for, their home value, another big wealth indicator. If they own credit cards, do they have certain types of checking account, interested in real estate investing, a charitable donor, interested in environmental causes, things like that. There's tons of other different pieces of data that you can get from these people from these databases. So what we do is we get these lists. This is only 10,000. It's a small piece of this type of audience, but you can upload millions. This is, for example, is one of the homeowner databases we uploaded. That's 44 million. New mover file of 2.8, 2.9. Here's the rich people in the USA. It's about 2.9, 3.5 million. Those numbers vary depending on how well they match with the profile on the Facebook platform. And you can actually use these lists in the ad manager and just select them up in the custom audience section. Let's see if I have it here, have it connected. Maybe I don't. You can see here, like, so let's say this one. These are all custom lists that were uploaded. Let's see investment. Let's see investment. So these are people interested in investing, but also filtered down like this. So I'm not sure how big this audience is, but if you uploaded a list like you would of this like rich USA citizens, you go into here, go to custom audiences, go to customer list, just go next. We don't really have a customer value, and it would upload a list like this, and we'll map those fields. You pick all those fields to map, and you'd import it, and you'd select that audience in your. So it's a pretty great way to have an actual multi-channel approach to your marketing. Because let's say this is a 10,000 person list on Facebook, but then you also upload it to Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok, and you run ads to that 10,000 people. You're going to specifically target that cluster of people specifically. If you just pick audiences like yachts, for example, just people who are interested in yachts on Google, Facebook, Twitter, it's not going to be the same people you're hitting. You're going to have 1 or 2 points per person over several months, where this way you could have 10,000, 100,000, depending on your budget. You could hit those people a lot faster. You hit that 10,000 people 5 to 10 times. And there's those studies out there saying 7 points, takes 7 points to make a decision, purchasing decisions. So you'll hit those 7 points a lot faster when you upload a list like this and hit them multiple times on multiple platforms, and then you everywhere. You can showcase your product, and they'll be more likely to make a purchase with you because it also builds that brand trust that you're also everywhere and they see you everywhere. You could send direct mail to these people. You could send them an email. You could show up online. If you're interested in getting this free list, we actually have a free download from our List Giant site, a free list of luxury customers at 10,000, mostly buyers over 500 net worth, income over 250,000. We'll leave a note in the descriptions. And once you download that, you'll actually get a video of how to upload that list into Facebook, kind of like we went over today. Then as a bonus, we also have this blog post about the 9 tactics and how to market to wealthy buyers, which includes do's and don'ts, how to create a great website, social media presence, and more. We'll include that in the show notes and description as well. And if you like this video, be sure to push that like button, subscribe for more content like this, how to reach luxury buyers, or even how to use data to target audiences. And if you have any questions about what we went over today, feel free to drop that in the comment. We'll be happy to answer it. I can answer it myself. Happy to help you guys out, and I'll see you guys next time.